Breakthrough in the skies, proud moment for India. India's heavy lift rocket LVM-3 has soared again. Today, ISRO launched the satellite CMS-03 into orbit. Why matters? Because this 4,410 kg satellite is the heaviest ever launched from Indian soil, a new milestone of self-reliance. And that's not all. It's also built to boost India's communications and maritime strength across the Indian Ocean region, especially for the Navy. LVM-3 isn't just a rocket, it's the launch pad for the future, space exploration, deeper orbits, and even human missions. Today's launch sends a powerful message. India can carry the heavy load. The countdown of global space power is ticking. Celebrate this moment because when India's rocket rises, so do our dreams. Please do share this information with your friends and relatives.